Panda. I got broads in Atlanta. Just took the lean in the family. Credit cards and the scammers. Getting no licks in the band. Legacies.
Hello guys, thank you for joining my channel. This is Big Show VW speaking. Lately I had the question of where's my desktop icons? I freshly installed Windows 10 but I don't know where to start looking for my desktop icons. Well guys, it's easy. You will have this search pane at the bottom. If not, you can go to your start menu, you can go to your settings, you can look for the tab that says background. There we go. Then you go and click on themes. Now that you're in the themes pane, you can go on your right hand side of the screen by desktop icon settings, and there it has been hiding all along, guys. Ladies, usually this would be unticked, but I already ticked it. I just wanted to share this with the rest of the world. Still battling to find those shortcuts for the desktop that we so battle to find when we freshly install Windows 10. So yeah guys, as easy as that. You can also type in your search panel here at the bottom, desktop, and it'll take you straight to the themes, the very first one appearing here. You click on it, go to the right hand side of the screen, related settings, desktop and icon settings, click on it once, and there you go. From here on you can select what you really need and don't need. Majority of the time I'll just click computer, recycle bin and user files. That's it. In my case I always like to select all of them, apply, okay. Then you can close it and they will appear on your screen as the following. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. It wasn't too hard. If there's anything else you guys want me to review, try to figure out for you guys, please smash it into the comment zone. I'll put effort into it. I am a master in troubleshooting, so I will get you an answer. If not, I will phone a friend. So yeah, thank you for viewing my videos. Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and the notification bells, and if there's anything once more, ask me in the comment zone below. Thank you so much guys, and enjoy. Como se llama?